Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we got this half up, half down, but we got curly. And y'all know I really do curly because it is a lot to manage sometimes, and it's just so hard. It's not hard, but it's just so much waking up in the morning and just having to take care of it. Y'all know I do not do curly hair that often, so I had to come on here and give y'all a quick 1-2. We all about beginner friendly, soft looks that don't take too much to do. We have a full party space wig, y'all, so y'all know how to take advantage. Okay, so if you want to see how I got this look and all of my techniques, then keep watching. so this is the final look. How are we feeling about this wig, y'all? This is 26 inches of curly hair. A part of me wants to wet it, but a part of me likes how big it is at the same time. Y'all, look at this. It's so big and luscious. And you got the full part in space. That's how we was able to get this beautiful half up, half down. And y'all know I'm gonna eat these baby hairs every time. I don't play when it comes to the baby hairs, okay? So how are we feeling about this look, y'all? How are we feeling about the curly hair? Do y'all prefer curly? Do y'all prefer deep wave? Do y'all prefer water wave? They got it all, child. Whatever you prefer, you can get this in all different types of textures. So make sure you go check them out. Shout out to Asteria Hair for sending me, not only sending me this wig, but shout out to the full party space, because y'all know how I feel about the full party space. All these hair companies do not have full party space. This is 250% density, y'all. 26 inches, very full and full party space. So you could do braids, you could do whatever your heart desires, okay, child? So if you like this video, make sure you click that like button, comment down below and let me know your thoughts, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.